Um, Good night, everyone. I'm going to presentate about Aristotle's opinion on pottery. Aristotle con- contends that the poetics is unlike exoteric works meant for general publication. Exoteric is a knowledge for or practices commonly taught or shared. The poetics is an esoteric work. Esoteric means not public or common knowledge. For example, mystical, magical, or occult practices are typically described as esoteric. He contends again that pottery is more universal and more general the things as they are. For it is not the function of the pot to relate what has happened, but what may happen. What is possible according to the law of probability or necessity. It is the historian, not the pot, who writes of what has already happened. The pot's task declares him is to write of what could happen. Therefore, poetry is a more philosophical and a higher thing than history, for poetry tends to express the universal history of the particular, because to unfold a plot in a manner that is convincing to the audience, the poet must grasp and represent the internal logic. The internal logic means that the knowledge is built through the interaction of people and subject matter. The necessity of the outcome of those events. He defines poetry as the mimetic or imitative use of language, rhythm, and harmony. Separately or in combination, poetry is mimetic in that it creates a representation of objects and of events in the world. Mimetic is a view that conceptualizes literature and art as essential an imitation of aspects of the universe. Aristotle identifies tragedy as the most refined version of poetry dealing with lofty matters, and comedy as the most refined version of poetry dealing with base matters. He traces a brief and speculative history of tragedy as it evolved from dithyrambic hymns in praise of the god Dionysus. Dithyrambs were sang by a large choir, sometimes featuring a narrator. Aeschylus invented tragedy by bringing a second actor into dialogue with the narrator. Sopha- Sophocles uh, inno- innovated further by introducing a third actor and gradually tragedy shift to each contemporary dramatic form. Aristotle defines tragedy according to seven characteristics. Number one, it is mimetic. Number two, it is serious. Number three, it tells a full story of an appropriate length. Number four, it contains rhythm and harmony. Number five, rhythm and harmony occur in different combinations in different parts of the tragedy. Number six, it is performed rather than narrated. And number seven, it arouses feelings of pity and fear, and then purges these feelings through catharsis. A tragedy con- consists of six component parts, which are listed here in order from most important to least important: plot, character, tone, diction, melody, and spectacle. Okay, I think it's enough, and thank you.